Hello friends. So we have another class, English grammar tutorials. The last class we saw the verbal and non-verbal negation. Verbal has two forms. That is, one is primary verbal, and the other is secondary verbal. Now we will consider today primary. Primary negation just got to different different forms. Today we will consider four forms. First one is, you have got negating affirmative sentences that contains modals and auxiliaries. Sentences with auxiliaries and modals. See, for example, you have he can go. First one is sentences with auxiliaries and modals. He can go. It's a modal, no? He can go. The negative will be he can't go. He cannot go. And the short form, contracted form will be he can't go. That's it. Or you have an auxiliary like it. He has gone. He has not gone. He hasn't gone. Hasn't gone. So that's it. So you have got or you have got again one more auxiliary. He is eating. He is not eating. Because he is not hungry. He isn't eating. So that is one. So verbal negation, we have first one is sentences containing auxiliaries and modals. Can, could, will, shall, etc. These are modals. I have already given you about 25 lectures on modals. So I invite you to go through that. Listen. Then you will go get a lot of ideas about modal, their meanings, their uses, their extended meanings, extended uses, and all those. Is that clear? So you have got a can, cannot, contracted form. Cannot. So that's simple. Next form is sentences containing copular be. Copular. Second, sentences with copular be. Copular be means he is a boy. This is use of copular. Is a copula, means connecting the subject and the predicate. The other way, he is eating is auxiliary because it helps to form a tense. Understand? He is eating. Present continuous. There is not copula. It is an auxiliary. Its function is to form a tense form. In this case, there is no sense. He is a boy. He was a criminal, etc. Copula was, or was were. You can use them as copular be. Be, different forms of be is, or was, were. So is, or was, were. Different forms. You can see he is a doctor, he is not a doctor, he isn't a doctor. Then I am a teacher, I am not a teacher, I am not a teacher. They are working, sorry, they are criminals, they are not criminals, they aren't criminals. He was a teacher. He was not a teacher. He wasn't a teacher. And then they were singers. They were not singers. They weren't singers. Listen. Now a third form is third. Third is Only verb. No copula, no auxiliary. Sentences with the main verbs we can say. 3. 3 sentences with the affirmative sentences with main verbs only. No auxiliary, no copula. For example, he plays football. So now what will you do? See, he plays football. You cannot say he plays not football. Football not allowed. He plays not. In English it is not allowed. So what will you do? You will take the help of do, does. Here, third person singular, so you will say he does play football. He does not play, sorry. He does play football. Now you can add not to this, so he does not play football. Now here what happens is, when you use does here, this becomes a tense-less word, because tense is now carried by auxiliary. He does play. So he does not play, doesn't play. He did not play, he didn't play. They do not play, they don't play. That's it. So negative, contracted form, negative and contracted form. Affirmative, negative, contracted form. Another example. She sings. She does not sing. She doesn't sing. She does not sing. She doesn't sing. I write. I do not write. I don't write. So that is sentences with the main verbs only. For that you have to use do, does, this, did. Now how it works out, this use of do, does, did. I most humbly invite you to my lectures on simple present tense on YouTube. I have posted simple present tense, how to form simple present tense, how to negate it, or the way in great detail. Why he plays becomes he does play. But I will once again illustrate. He plays. He do play. Plays. He do play. Then you have got S here, no? This S here. This S here, this is taken and added to do. Then it will become he does. He does play. Now here there is no tense marker S. S is the tense marker. It is not there. You are shifting it, back shifting. Taking that S and adding to do. And then it becomes does. So it does not. If it is there, play, again the same thing. There is tense marker there, play. And that is added to do. Then what will happen to this remaining verb? It is tenseless. Or you can say bare infinitive. Bare infinitive. Bare infinitive. See, as I told you, all these points have been discussed in my grammar tutorials on tenses. The second tense we have done is that. First one is present continuous tense, then about simple present. So kindly go through that. Okay? Or if you have any doubts again, I am willing to explain to you. Okay. Then the fourth is, see, negative imperatives. Fourth. Negative imperatives. Imperative commands. Stop there. Do not stop. Don't stop. So that is. So verbal negation takes different forms Today we have discussed 4. One is sentences with auxiliaries and modals. I can come, I cannot come, I can't come. Sentences with the copular be. I am a teacher, I am not a teacher, I am not a teacher. Sentences with the main verbs. I teach, I do not teach, I don't teach. Negative imperatives. Stop there, do not stop there, don't stop there. Understand? Stop there. Run from here, do not run from here, don't run from here. Okay? Stop talking, do not stop talking, that's a very good idea. Don't stop talking. So these are 4 different forms of primary verbal negation. Primary verbal negation. We will continue in the next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice time. Here you have keep distance to keep corona away. I think you are doing that. Stay away, stay away. A meter or 2. A matter of importance for us to come together again. I have a series of 9 classes on very, you can say 50 seconds, 60 seconds on Quran literacy. If you have time enough, we can go through that. One of them I have just recited. Stay away, a meter or 2, a matter of importance for us to come together again. Bye. Have a nice day.